A makeup muse can be someone who inspires others with their makeup looks, style, and creativity. This person can be a professional makeup artist, a beauty influencer, or just someone with a passion for makeup and a unique perspective. Makeup muses can be found in a variety of places, from social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to beauty blogs and magazines. They often share their favorite makeup products, techniques, and tutorials, which can help others learn new skills and experiment with different looks. One of the most inspiring aspects of a makeup muse is their ability to use makeup as a form of self-expression. They may create bold and colorful looks, or they may opt for a more natural and subtle approach. Whatever their style may be, they inspire others to embrace their own unique beauty and creativity. Makeup muses can also help to challenge beauty norms and promote inclusivity. They may feature models of different ages, races, genders, and body types in their makeup looks, helping to showcase the beauty and diversity. In addition to inspiring others, makeup muses can also be a source of support and community. They often have loyal followers who share their passion for makeup and beauty, and they may engage with their audience through comments, live streams, and other forms of social media interaction. Overall, a makeup muse can be a powerful force for creativity, self-expression, and inclusivity in the beauty industry.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.